Hey there, little learners and budding artists. Today, we're going to add a pop of fun to our drawing session by creating our very own numbers poppet toy. Get ready to count and create with us. It's going to be a blast. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's kick things off by grabbing our black marker and diving right into our drawing. With our black marker, let's carefully draw the outline of each number. 1. 2. 3. Once we have the basic shape, let's add some small circles within each number to create our pop things. These will be so much fun to press and play with. Once we've finished drawing our numbers and adding the pop things, let's take a moment to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make our artwork stand out even more and give it that extra touch of polish. Now, it's time to add some color to our numbers poppet toy. Let's grab our color pens and get creative. As we color, let's name each color we use. Pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. Blue color. Bottle green color. Green color. Great job, little artists! You've created your very own numbers puppet toy, complete with colorful numbers and pop things. Keep exploring your creativity and having fun with art. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.